Congratulations, Ottawa Chiropractic and Natural Health Center. Come on up.
Good evening, everyone, and thank you to Top Choice. I'd like to ask all of you to do something. I'd like you to go back in time 40 years. Now, I know the women here can't do that because none of you were born then, but this is a true story. 40 years ago, I was in this exact same ballroom in the same hotel, and I accepted an award, and yes, you guessed it, I was the Toronto Star Carrier of the Year. Now, more than 25 years later in practice, I consider myself very fortunate that I get to use my hands and my brains to get sick people healthy and to keep healthy people healthy. I'd like to thank all of my patients who place trust in me and allow me to be of service to them. I'd certainly like to thank my amazing team and my amazing family. I'm very honored to have accepted this award as Best Chiropractor in Ottawa. I'm also very proud of all the other functional health programs we do, especially our latest program on preventing Alzheimer's. This is a dreaded disease that every 60 seconds another Canadian is actually diagnosed with dementia, and the truth is, based on the science, this is all preventable. I'd like to thank everyone who voted for me, and I vow that we will continue to give cutting-edge health care to all Canadians. Thank you very much.
I am here with Dr. John Zelanka. He's a first-time winner. Congratulations.
Why, thank you.
And you came all the way from Ottawa.
I did.
And you're from Ottawa Chiropractic and Natural Health Center, and you're the top choice chiropractic clinic of 2019. Congratulations.
Well, thank you very much.
So, what are your core values at your center?
That's an excellent question. We have 5 core values that really guide everything we do in our office. Number 1 is leadership. We have so many people that are really just lost and looking for some direction when it comes to healthcare. That's why we have a sick care system. Number 2 is trust. So, I mean, there's so much misinformation out there that you need someone you can trust to, so that you can actually make an intelligent decision towards what you and your best interest. Number 3 is integrity. So we walk our talk, and our word is our bond. Number 4 is truth. So unfortunately, there are a lot of people who are being asked to make decisions, and they're informed decisions and never being informed. So we will tell you the truth whether you want to hear it or not. And number 5, lastly, is human health potential. People have been misled to believe that they are supposed to live a lifetime where they end up sick and dying, and that's simply not true. We'd be so much healthier.
I got it. That sounds good. Posture is a big problem nowadays, especially with everyone on their cell phones. Me. What are some tips you can give for everyday life to better your posture?
Well, that's also a great question. I mean, we're going to run into a huge problem 10, 20 years down the road. I've been on TV years ago talking about this, and now even the orthopedic surgeons and the neurologists are getting on board with this as well, and especially with kids. So 3 easy things I'd give you to do. Number 1 is the average person is actually looking at their phone 200 to 400 times a day. So number 1, just stop looking at the phone so much. I mean, there's nothing really that important. Number 2, stop looking down. So I'm also the Canadian director of something called Look Up Canada. I mean, hold the phone up here. There's no need to be doing this all day long. And last but not least, get a good chiropractor, especially someone like myself, a neurofunctional chiropractor, who will look at optimizing the spine, optimizing your nervous system. And if you do that, the dividends will pay off tremendously.
What do you say to people who are terrified of chiropractors?
Well, that's interesting. We don't really see a lot of that anymore because people are starting to learn more and more about what we truly do. And in the hands of a good chiropractor, it's one of the safest, most effective forms of care that exist.
Okay, well, thank you for that. It was very informative. And congratulations. Enjoy your night.
Thanks very much.